Unit 3, process control in sizing. So far we have seen process control in weaving, warping, and now we are going to see sizing. Preparation of size paste formulation. Before starting the sizing process, it is necessary to prepare the size paste. Before preparing the size paste, it is necessary to select various ingredients, their percentage in the size paste, which is selected based upon the type of warp and type of loom and quantity of size paste required. Preparation of size paste formulation continued. In sizing, two factors are important: concentration and viscosity of size paste, and percentage size add-on required for warp. After this, actual preparation of size paste takes place. Gelatinization process. Mostly natural starches used as an adhesive, which is the main and essential ingredient of the size. Its proper and uniform distribution in the paste is very important. Starches are white or nearly white powder in the form of granules and are insoluble in cold water. To make its stable colloidal solution, starch has to be gelatinized. In gelatinizing, starch powder is mixed with water to form a smooth paste or slurry and heated by means of steam. As the slurry gets heated, starch granules get swollen due to absorption of water. Gelatinization. A point is reached when the swelling of the granules reach maximum and the granules occupy the whole volume of water. This is the formation of the size paste. This is called as gelatinization in the size paste. Common size ingredients. There is a tendency to add too many ingredients to make the paste. Previously, number of size ingredients used to be up to 15 or more. Many of the added white more blind faith than reasons. Many of them are added by blind faith. Even today, it is not very uncommon to see a dozen different materials added to the size paste. It is easily to see that there is hardly any only reason to add more than 3 to 6 ingredients for most purposes. Common size ingredients continued. Even today, it is not very uncommon to see a dozen different materials added to the size paste. 3 to 6 ingredients are added. So this is about sizing and introduction to sizing of process control.